Today I'd like to talk about compound duple time signatures. There are two time signatures that are compound duple, which are 6/8 and 6/4. Alright, so in 6/8, the eighth note is the subdivision unit. In 6/4, the quarter note, the crotchet, is a subdivision unit. So first of all, let's talk about how we can count by the pauses. Alright, so in 6/8, right, there are 6 quaver pauses in each measure. So in 6/8 time, the quaver is the subdivision unit. Alright, and we're grouping into one dotted crotchet. So grouping 3 quavers in one note, which is a dotted crotchet. Alright, and then we have 2 of these dotted crotchet beats in each measure. So this is how you define by the beat. So, right, so when dotted note gets 1 count, we consider as compound time. So we have 2 of these in every bar. So that's how it becomes compound duple. You have 2 dotted crotchet beats in each measure. So we consider them compound time because the dotted note gets 1 count. So now let's talk about 6/4. In 6/4 time signature, the subdivision unit is a crotchet, the quarter note. So when you count by the pauses, there are 6 crotchet pauses in each measure, right? But we're grouping 3 crotchet into one note, which is a dotted minimum, all right? And you have 2 of these in every bar. So dotted note gets 1 count. In this case, the dotted minimum gets 1 count. And you have 2 of the dotted minimum beats in each measure. So that is also considered as compound duple. Again, so this is how we define the time signature 6/4 by beats. All right. So there are 2 dotted minimum beats in each measure. All right. And then subdivision unit in 6/4 is the quarter note, which is the crotchet. All right, so you have 2 of dotted minimum beats in each measure, so that is considered as compound duple. So this is how we count for compound duple time. So in 6/8 time signature, there are 2 dotted crotchet beats in each measure. So we subdivide the dotted crotchet into 3 quaver pauses and count 1 and 2 and So it's the same thing in 6/4 time signature. We subdivide the dotted minimum into 3 crotchet pauses and counting 1 and 2 and